Okay, I wanted to show you how to do some cleaning up in Mastery Connect. And so I am in Tracy's um, account right now. And what we're going to do is everyone is going to want to go into um, the trackers. And once you are in your trackers, you have some options here that I want to make sure that you're aware of. One of the things that you can do is you can look at the curriculum map, which is what you're going to kind of work on updating and making sure it is what you want it to be. So you can click on the ELA 6th grade BSD map here, or you can also go and find it through this link here. So I'm going to click on the ELA 6th grade link, and you'll look and you'll notice over here that you can apply updates to all your trackers that have that subject. So for example, I've got Jarvis and Cutright, so I can apply any updates to both of them at the same time. This is a little bit different than having to go into your tracker and sync with the map for each individual one. This just does it all together at the same time. And here you can see that this is all your quarter one ELA standards, and what you'll want to do today is make sure that all of these that are in here should in fact be in here, and then you'll want to really concentrate on what's in second quarter since that's what you're working on, and you will decide what is in here that needs to stay in here. If there's some standards from up in first quarter that need to be repeated in second quarter because they are also covered in multiple quarters. And then once you figure all that out and you know what goes in there, then I will move it all here into second quarter and assign it a color so that all second quarters will have a color that's similar like first quarters. And then need you to do the same thing for down here where it says extra. These are the standards that you guys need to sort into one of the quarters above. So it needs to either go into quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, or quarter four. And again, if there is a standard that you're covering in all four quarters, I just need to know that so that I can put it in all four quarters. And then I will color code quarter three and quarter four as well. Keep in mind that I can do any updates as you need them, but today as you're working, if you have an assessment for certain standards and you need them moved, I will take care of that. I just need to know for the overall picture. And a way that might be easier, I'm not sure, but it might help you to look at a PDF version by going over here and going to print curriculum map. And you have the option of doing basic or advanced. If I look at advanced, I can print like all of these different notes, and I'm not going to print it, but you guys could pull up and talk about the different standards, and it lists them out, and it says, okay, in quarter one, there's this standard, and so on and so forth, and then into quarter two. So you could look through this if that's helpful. I don't know if it is or not, but I wanted to let you know that it is there if you feel like it would be helpful for you to use. And I know when you guys met on Saturday that you came up with a curriculum map for um, the social studies. So I think that with the social studies curriculum map, other than having the other sixth grade team members update their map, it's done. But if you do want to go back and look at that and see, if in fact you wanted to add anything to that, again, you can go to your curriculum map here or in your tracker itself, and you will find the social studies one. And under the social studies one, you can see the map for that, and you can actually look at this map and make sure that it is from your work on that Saturday the way that you want it to be. Again, I can go in and color these different than gray also if you decide that that's something that you want, but you just might want to verify that these standards are where you want them to be. Other than that, you guys should be set up with your Mastery Connect, and then all that should be updated and good to go. And so we can just help everybody else get that updated and taken care of on the 30th when we do our curriculum updates. I will be back around 1, and I can then go in and fix all your changes that you make from there. But until then, you have your agenda set with the things that you guys wanted to get done for today. So save all those questions that you have that are for me and work on the stuff that you have on your agenda. And I will look forward to meeting up with you guys and continuing to help you work later this afternoon. And if you need anything pressing in the meantime, you can always email me and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. See you soon.